Hey guys, I'm back with my new video and today we will be going to channel mixer creativity with Photoshop. And for that, I'm here in Photoshop with a photograph, and you guys also drag and drop that photograph that you want to edit with me today, and let's get started. So going to the adjustment panel here, and or the in the layer panel you can below see the layer adjustment. There is channel mixer, but before that let's go to the channels. Beyond the layers there is a channel panel. Click on that, you will see RGB red, green, blue. If we click any of them, red, green or blue, you can see the our photograph is changing on screen because it says how the green is affecting. It shows where on the parts the green is higher or where it is low, where in the red where it is larger amount and less in amount. It shows that according to that. White space is that means that the particular color is over there, or grays mean it's in a less or more it's there. So blue is brighter, green is much less than in the middle of red and blue, and red is darker. You can see if blue and green is there, it shows a sea green kind of look. If red and green is there, it shows yellow, and red and blue, it shows purple. So now let's dive into the channel filter, that channel mixer. So click on that and choose channel mixer. This will pop up like this. Let's shift again to the channel panel on our screen like this. You can see how everything is changing according to that. If I select the reds to be brighter, it's changing, or if the reds to be the darker on the dark side, it will change. But beforehand, let's see, there are some presets of different kind of filters like orange, green, red, other filters. They are changing it to the black and white, but according to the colors it's choosing like red, green or blue. So let's again become default, and now we are having the output channel as red, green, blue. So we are quite in red. This shows this channel will affect just the red color. Wherever the red color is in our photograph, that will be affected. And there says, and here you can see, if I increase the red to the plus side, it will just make everything red. On if it's on the black, the channel is getting black, and it shows that red is getting minus from our colors, and you can see how this is right now. I like somewhere you can, like, according to your choice, you can shift it to any place. Now I reset it with this icon and just go shift to another channel that is green. You can see what we see there. If I hide the green layer in the channel panel, it was showing violet or purple. And now if I decrease the amount, it's again the same thing. So this is how they react to the photograph. Similarly, see of the blue, it increases the blue value, and if it get decreased to zero kind of thing or negative, then it's going to the darker and darker yellows, which is the green and red mix. So this is how it reacts with the photograph, the channel mixer. It quite too much sometimes, but let us see how we can do it in a professional way. If you don't understand what we are doing with the filters or the channels right now and just dragging the slide bars from here and there, it might even get answered as getting overexposed or underexposed. But here's the trick. See, there is the total. In the panel, there is a place where it says total. And as soon as we increase the our settings of the all channels, you can see it increases to plus 200 or plus 110. Then it shows an icon of warning. What says it? Let's place our mouse over here. You can read that it says the total should be under or about 100, which means that if it crosses the plus 100% value, it is your photograph is overexposed. Similarly, if it gets minus 100, then the photograph is now underexposed. Resetting again all the effect that we did earlier, and now I am choosing a blue filter of the output method, and now if I increase the blue all the way up, that is 200, and if I decrease the value of red to somewhere darker, similarly I'm going to shift my yellow downside, you can see the output is 0. This is also not good as it just make everything go yellow. We don't kind of like this dramatic or drastic effect change, but somewhere in the middle from the 50 to 100 in the plus side only, the effect is getting natural. So now with the red filter, if I am there and increasing the red all the way up and decreasing the blue all the way down, this is changing the red channel but in a different way. So let's now see if I'm again in the blue filter, and this time I've increased everything up, but you can see what is getting white here is not exactly what it says white. It's just an overexposed colors. So that is seemingly to be white, but for that I'm pressurizing my colors to be really overwhelmed over there. So that's not good. So kind of this look. I'm balancing my all the channels of red, blue and green in one output method only to get some kind of look. You can use this for any dramatic or any cinematic effects for your photograph. That was before, this is after. I kind of like this look, so I hope you guys have now a much clearer view on Channel Mixer after this video. If you guys found it helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss a video update.